So got to come pick up the screws. Thing right now, what I'm gonna do on these manufactured homes, where the problem issue is, it's plastic by outside, so it warps. The plastic warps when the sun hits it too much. So my situation is just put regular screws on it for now until I find where they sell these at. Okay, let me show you. You see up there how it warps? Can't tell that much because of the sunlight, but I could tell a little bit. It warped. Let me show you. Better. That's it. It's warped. Oh, this does have OBS on it. Okay, well, that's good news. So I'm thinking about putting a screw in there, and that might fix the issue. Maybe a couple of them around there and up there. That's how to get the issue fixed. Fix the issue. I need black paint. Don't put the battery station on high. Shit, try to camouflage the belly. Rough at me. Okay. Okay, rough. Put one in the corner. Oh, see right there. Alright. That way looks way better. Enough for me. I got the issue down here too. Oh. OBS too. That's good news. Put a little bit of. So we ran on the same one. And then just went to the bottom. Alright, there we go. Just a penny at a time. Let's go get some painting brush. Well, I said let's go get the paint back there. That's the first step we need to do. There's my back part of the property. Usually I store stuff back here. Sometimes. Those tires when I bought the property, that was there already, that wasn't me. But here I have the paint. Now, let's hope it did not drip. No, it didn't. Thank God for that. See, guys, it's nice out here in the country. just gotta watch out for coyotes. Alright. Show you guys too. I need to paint this black thing on the front of my porch. I'm gonna show you right now too. What I'm talking about. Gotta ask my wife for us a brush. I don't know where I put it. I know I bought it at Home Depot. I don't remember where I put it. See, this is what I'm talking about. Paint this, that one's in black. The whole thing is in black. But then this one, I gotta paint it too today. So, and I put the screws in the deck. So, let's start first by painting. That's what we're gonna start doing. Then the back where we was at on the other corner of the house, that part too. So, hold your horses. The black paint. Let's shake the camera for a little bit. Let's go to the front porch. Oh Lord. You gonna put camera? Paint the camera? No. Let's give it one coat for now. Then we'll let it dry. Come back at it again with a second hand coat. My ask your opinions on something, guys. You let me grow. YouTube fans. Okay. Should I paint steps in white, black, or should I leave them white? I'm gonna show you how it looks like in white. I'm gonna show you. The only thing that I'm pretty sure when you step on this, your footprints are you're gonna show everywhere. So nah. It doesn't look bad, but nah. I'm gonna go with black. Get it looking nice. Yeah, definitely gonna put it in black. Oh yeah, I'm glad I put it in black. I should have gotten a roller like I did with them white stairs, but a couple brushes. So let's get this at a better angle.